Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. All right, so leading into next week, the AMC market is up against a pretty interesting level. We're going to go over one critical level in the AMC market because the sellers just made a move, obviously. But the one level that truly determines whether or not the sellers are going to follow through to the downside is going to be revealed to you here in this video. So let's make it short and sweet. We're also going to look at the moving averages and only focus on the 3-day candles. The 3-day candles only for this week is what I would focus on. Maybe the daily candles as well, but mostly the 3-day. And I'm going to show you why. So let's go ahead and get into it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore interesting analysis on AMC. Welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. Show me. So today's December the 5th, 2021, and the previous close of AMC's $29 and a penny, a slightly negative close, 2.1% for the day. Okay. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Here's the one line. Yes. Only one on that line on the chart. Now, I do remember our last video post. Not a lot of people like this video, but this is a very beautiful story behind the price action, guys. I'll leave a link for you. Just kindly hear me out until the end. Please listen to everything that I said in that video. A lot of powerful information in that video. There's only two levels, $20 and $33.77. Okay, those are the only two macroscopic levels. But for this week, kind of the short-term observation, $28.57. Again, I would focus on the 3-day candles, maybe the daily candles if you have experience, to make sure that there's only candles closing above that specific level, because this will be the level that the buyers need to protect here in the short term in order to show an aggressive turnaround here in a very short period of time. Because if the buyers lose this level, 28.57, then it's likely the market is going to gravitate to a more aggressive level where buyers are waiting, I guess we can say. Because that's all the market is trying to do, guys. Seek financial support. And so far, there hasn't been enough at the level where some thought it was support at $36. Here's a 50 and the 200 exponential moving average. All right, there we are. So the 50 exponential moving average actually was acting as a very strong support level for some time. In fact, it was all the way back here in the March 2021. All right, it was acting as a really nice level of support. Well, no, actually not March, guys. Sorry. See this green candle over here? All the way back in January 2021, found close above that level 3-day candle. And I mean, that was when this very large move rip to the upside started. And right now we actually just got our first 3-day candle to close below that level ever since January 2021. Now, since we're only focusing on the 3-day candles, there's only two moving averages in my book that I use. I don't use like a million of them, right? I try to keep it as simple as I possibly can. The next level down is here at this red line, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. I don't want to take off any bulls out there. All right. 28.57. If any price fluctuations are closing below this level, then just understand that AMC is naturally trying to gravitate to the next relevant, whether it's significant or not, level of financial support. And that is the 200 exponential moving average on the 3-day candles. Okay, kindly pull up your charts there, guys. You may have this. Actually, I think you will have to start an account on tradingview.com. That's what I'm using to pull up the 3-day candles. So unless you're using a different exchange that allows you to pull up like 3-day candles in the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average, then yeah, I would definitely recommend to focus on that time frame. Again, only for this week. That's my only recommendation, is focus on a time frame. This is not financial advice, by the way. Not a recommendation to buy or sell. All right. So that's the all the interesting information that I have for AMC. Essentially 28.57 daily or 3-day candles to close. This is actually an active candle. If you look closely, you see this little red candle here. It looks like kind of a reversal candle right now, kind of a little doji, sort of, right? There's still like a million names for candles, but it's active. The reason that I'm pointing that out is because right now it's red. It can actually turn green before the close, and that would just simply represent buying interest, and that they're trying to just kind of hold a line here at 28.57. So that's the one precise number, with the exception of the level, the two most important range levels that we've said. We posted that video like October the 30th, but we were saying it well before then. When the market was like at $60, I was saying the previous level of resistance is $20. People almost like shut my channel down for saying that, but yeah, guys, it's really simple to see this stuff. All right, so that's all I have. Hopefully we've summarized everything. 2857 daily or 3-day candles. Let's just say within 17 hours we actually get a close below 2857. No. That's not what you want to see, guys. That's not ideal for the bullish case. We may be headed towards that 200 exponential faster than one may think. Actually, this is not a bearish video. Just pointing out the level, the one level, 2857. In the time frames, the daily and the 3-day. So that's all I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully we're clear about the one level that is a line in the sand for this week. So we'll go ahead and wrap it up, guys. And if you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would appreciate it. Just below the video. Also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video and this channel. Thank you for your support, guys. If you guys are new, we also explore the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So if you're into that, kindly subscribe with us and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please, if you have your subscribe button hit on that end over there where you are, please understand that it is now required to have a strategy, guys. I want everyone who's a part of this this community to be responsible in the markets, guys. Okay, please know where you're going to take a stop loss. You know, averaging down is something that I don't really do. I don't do that, guys. Yeah, I don't know how to tell you. Some need like some sort of advice of how to average their position down if they're down right now. Let's say you bought it like, I don't know, $50. I don't know. I would have initially had a stop loss so that I would, I wouldn't have to hold on to that position for so long, So, yeah, that's all I have, guys. Just have a strategic plan before you enter. This way you don't have to experience things like that in your portfolio. Okay. All right, we'll talk soon. Positive energy, check, and bye for now.